Hey everybody, this is Jerry back again. I got a new gravel driveway job today. As you can see, it's pretty rough. Pretty deep rut down through there from a lot of water running off the hill, and it's probably a good 1.5 feet deep in places. I'm going to try to get it worked down. This is for a disabled veteran, and we're doing this work just to help the guy out, and hopefully it'll make it better for people to come in and help him out from the Veterans Association and stuff. And it's a pretty big job. Probably take us 4 or 5 hours, but I think we can get it done, and I hope you enjoy the video. everybody, this is Jerry back again. Just loaded up the old ventrac there, got this driveway done. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this is for a disabled veteran, and being a veteran myself, and I've got a friend that's a veteran that asked me if I could help. I decided to come over here and do this, and this is just to help a guy out. No charge on this driveway, and I think it turned out pretty good. But anyway, if y'all could see earlier, there was like probably 1.5 feet, maybe close to 2 foot ruts where water had washed down this driveway. And so I worked it over pretty good and got her smoothed up. You could go right up through here now with no issues. This whole right side, I tried to pull as much stone over this way. There's a lot of dirt mixed in here. There's not a lot of gravel, but it could probably use some extra gravel sometime. But he was needing the DAV to send somebody out to get him, to take him to his doctor's appointments, and they weren't able to get up the driveway. So he don't have his own vehicle anymore, and he just needed help. So anyway, they used to be, you can see this concrete and stuff that's sitting up here and some steel grating. They used to be right down this area right here. See where it ended? And it went at an angle up through there. It's supposed to be a trough, I guess. I don't know how it was made very well, but it was just plugged up flush with the driveway with dirt and gravel. So we dug that out of there, cleared those pieces off the side, and just regraded the whole driveway. But anyway, I wasn't up here in my earlier part of talking about it, but and I only had my camera set up right here looking down the driveway, but I'm pretty happy with it. You can go up through here, no problem at all now. I'm hoping it'll stay this way for a little while. It's pretty steep, and when they get a lot of rain, it would have to. A lot of the water is going to rush down through here again, but it is what it is. But like I say, this is for a disabled veteran, and we took care of him today. And no charge, just veterans helping veterans. So anyway, go ahead and cut this video off, and I hope you guys enjoyed what little bit of video I got, and appreciate you watching, and y'all take care.